Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix something went wrong. Please go back and try again when you are logging to your Gmail account. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing something went wrong, please go back and try again when you are logging your Gmail account for your Play Store. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. For that, you have to just enable your flight mode and disable it again. Or else you can just restart your phone. After restarting, hope your network issue will be resolved and check whether it is working or not. If it is not working again, then open the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. In this, you need to find Gmail. You can see here Gmail, tap on this. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. After that, here you will find storage and cache, tap on this. Once tap on clear cache. Then close this window. Then restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix something went wrong. Please go back and try again problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.